All right, I'm going to show you how to make a really good cheese ball. It's a little different than normal. You want to get this Kraft Roka Blue. Now this is got a little bit of a blue cheese flavor, but not like that rusty metal salad crumble blue cheese. It's really good. Even if you think you don't like blue cheese, try it. It's not like what you're used to. I used to think I didn't like blue cheese neither, but I tried different kinds of blue. There's like 100 different kinds. And yeah, you'll get that rusty metal tasting bullshit a lot. But then you'll find that one that doesn't taste anything like that, and it's amazing. Like there's literally over 100 kinds of blue cheese out there. And I used to think that I hated it, but I just hate certain kinds of it. There's one that's called Queen something or another. It's really good. You wouldn't even be able to tell it's blue cheese. So you want to put a whole one of these Roka Blue, and then you want to get a Philadelphia cream cheese, and you want it room temperature so it's soft and it's easy to mix. You want to, like I said, I make all kinds of different cheese balls. You want to use a 6-ounce package of Swiss shredded, and then you want to use about 2 to 3 ounces of Parmesan. If you don't like Parmesan or the flavor, you can use Mozzarella or any other cheese you really like, but this is a little bit different than the traditional. You just squeeze it together until it sounds like you're doing something bad. Ain't no other way to do it besides getting your hand in there. So you got some sort of phobia, you're weird, you might want to get you some gloves. Well, that's a lot different than the traditional Old English cheese ball with the shredded cheddar. I'll make another one, a video making a original. Sometimes you get burnt out on that if you eat it too often. That's why you only make it during holidays. So you make other things. You could put anything you want into this. I just like the cheese, so I just kind of mound it up into like a ball, kind of like that. And then I get some crackers, and that's how I do it. But if you wanted to put some sort of chopped up walnuts or pecans or whatever you're into, man, you know, that beef, chop it up in little squares. Well, that's it. That's all there is. You want to use about 8 ounces of shredded cheese per every container, or every thing of cream cheese, every one of those. You can make any kind of cheese ball with this stuff. You can use any kind of shredded cheese. You want about 8 ounces, like I said, per everything. That's it. Try it out. Let me know what you think. If you got a better recipe, put it in the comments.